Hey food lovers, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tech tips to make your digital life as delicious as possible. Craving your favorite meal but don't want to leave the house? No problem. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Uber Eats using our web browser. Whether it's a late night snack or feast for friends, we've got you covered. Let's get started so you can have those tasty treats delivered right to your door. First, open your preferred web browser. Once you are there, look for the sign up button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin the registration process. Now you'll be taken to a sign-up page where you have few options. For this tutorial, we will use the email sign-up option. Click on Continue. Now it will send you a code to verify your email. Now it will ask you to put your mobile number. Adding mobile number is important for order confirmation and delivery updates. So make sure to add your number in here. I will skip this for now. Now you will have to write your name and last name. Click on next. You can check the terms of use by clicking on the link. Check all this out, then go back to the page and click on I agree. Then we will go to next. And there you have it. You have successfully signed up for Uber Eats. Now you can browse a variety of restaurants and cuisines, place your order and enjoy delicious meals delivered straight to your door. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.